with that, YouTube, now gonna review the new show in Cartoon Network, and it's Ninjago. And this J, by the way. So first, I'm gonna show you the cards. First, character card and say they're J. Next is Karate Chop and Force Field. And the Hurricane. Whoops. Up for grabs and off balance. And the character card again. Now the weapons. Show you one by one. I kinda lost the pole, the stick. Here's sorry for that. And the X. So this is my favorite weapon for this set. And the helmet. And a spinner. Comes with this tip when I attach here. Then attach. And J. And I put his face. Ninjago. And if soon I collect them all, gonna have a battle. Ninjago. There's articulation, hands move, in the feet, and there's four points of articulation. And I'll show you a little post of him. I'm just gonna put compose him like that. And the mask. Also, especially this. This. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah. Then pushing out, you can see the face. and it's pretty good. Then I have a test for speed. You can see it because I'm using laptop. Yeah, try to see. There. Ninja, go. Probably if you can see it flew away. Again, Ninja, go. Ninja, go. Oops. What the heck? So he broke off to go away. He used the off balance. So that's okay. And if you wanna be a master of spin jutsu, just go to ninjago.com.ph. You can see tips to become a spin jutsu. There's a tutorial for spinning practice and targeting practice, and now this J. Mark Arsadon signing off. Wait, I almost forgot. See ya.